Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to use DocHub. DocHub is a program that will allow you to upload or import PDFs so you can write on them and add your signature if needed. We will use this program throughout the semester. So the first thing that we need to do is to open a browser. Specifically, we should use Google Chrome. So I'm going to open this one. And then I'm going to go to dochub.com. So to sign up for a new account, you will just go to sign in with Google. Here I see that my Carlos Rosario email is here, so I'm going to click on this. You should also use your school Gmail. And then I'm going to enter my password. And then click next. So now I am in DocHub. I already have an account, so you can see over here that I have 23 documents. Today I'm going to show you how to upload a new document from your computer. So click on New, and then you'll see here it says drop file here or import file from computer, Dropbox, Google Drive, or OneDrive. I have found that I have most success when I import file from my computer. So what I'm going to do first, though, is to save a document from my Google Drive to my computer. Okay, so I'm going to open a new tab and go to my Google Drive. Recently, I shared with you the DL guidelines for students. And so now, if you have saved this to your drive, that's great. Now we need to save it to our computer. So over here, there are three dots. It says More Actions. Click on this, and then click on Download. Now I can see it's downloaded over here in the bottom left corner. I'll open this, click on it again, on the download button again, and now I have my folders on my computer where I can save it. So it's automatically taking me to the folder I want to put it in, so then I will click Save. And voila, it's there. Now let's go back to DocHub, which is over here in this tab. Now I can go to Computer, find the folder I saved it in, which is here, and then I'll go down and see where I put it. And it is here, DL Guidelines for Students. Click on that and then click on Open. And now I have it in DocHub. So as you can see, the tools are up here. You can click on the A to add a text box and type what you would like. Or you can use the Draw Freehand tool to write with your hand. Trying to do my signature here. All right. There are other tools, and I will show you those later. But for now, you know how to create your DocHub account and import a file from your computer to DocHub.